BOC.
Boy Shack Productions. When you wake up in the morning and you can't remember a thing, that's BOC.
That's Blackout City.
That's BOC.
That's Blackout City.
When you wake up in the morning and you can't remember a thing, that's BOC.
That's Blackout City.
That's BOC.
That's Blackout City.
So I'm laying in my room, there's blackness in my bed. I'm so hungover, need Advil for my head. I'm rolling all around when I'm woken by a text. Last night was crazy and I think I need some rest. So I wipe the drunkenness away from my eyes. I'm looking at the clock, it's 11:45. Dunkin' Donuts before I start to get sick. I need a buttered bagel, muffins and my Nesquik. Just trying to remember what the hell happened last night. I was blacked out, so the night was alright. So we sit down just to eat. Damn, it feels good to get off of my feet. So I'm like, dude, what happened? I blacked out. He's like, don't look at me, I'm the one who passed out. Last thing I remember, we were chilling in the kitchen, we were drinking Dice food, and everyone was tripping. When you wake up in the morning and you can't remember a thing, that's BOC.
That's Blackout City.
That's BOC.
That's Blackout City.
When you wake up in the morning and you can't remember a thing, that's BOC.
That's Blackout City.
That's BOC. Yeah.
That's Blackout City.
So I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking. People looking at me like, what's this boy thinking? Chilling at first, but it's always time to rage. I could freestyle this, you need to read it off a page. Crack a can, man, it's time to party up. Call up your bitch, see if she wants to fuck. And if she don't answer, then I guess you out of luck. Cause I'm slapping on her pussy, you could call it hockey pucks. Guess you can't say I got the luck of the Irish. All these bitches saying that my Jordans are stylish. Beer over everything, you better get with it. Cause I'm like Popeye and this beer is my spinach. You got blue balls on your can, call it Coors Light. I'm in the sack with a different bitch. Every night you sipping light beer, I watch you diminish. I'm trying to get drunk, so I'm funneling my Guinness. Oops.
And that's another rap. I'm doing this for shits and gigs. Haha. It's about 1:03 p.m. Fridge is stacked. Everybody get drunk.